And here's the hack of the day. That'll work. Yep. We're going to screw this to the wall. Just this to the wall. And hopefully that'll start cutting the wall. We need it to start in there. And then if it starts to spread or wobble, which I think I'm going to do it anyway because I just want to show you how much of a hack this is. I'm just going to take 2 screws and I'm going to plant that right there so that this parting line can't spread, crack the plywood. It is 5/8 plywood, but it's not indestructible, especially by today's standards. Stay tuned.